You'll wrestle with furniture for 20 minutes rather than spend 20 seconds asking for help. You'll Google for an hour instead of texting someone who already knows the answer. Your default setting is, I'll handle it. People call it stubbornness, pride, trust issues. But psychology calls this hyper independence. And they've discovered something fascinating. Your brain doesn't search for rescue, it searches for resolution. Here's what's actually happening in your brain. When most people hit a problem, asking for help reduces their workload. For you, it increases it. Your brain runs a cost benefit analysis. Explaining the problem, effort. Monitoring their approach, effort. Managing the social pleasantries, effort. To you, coordination doesn't help. It's overhead. You aren't trying to be a hero. You are an optimizer. You have realized that the fastest line between a problem and a solution is a straight line, and other people are detours. Here's the twist most people miss. They think you don't trust others. The truth? You just trust yourself more. Famous psychologist Albert Bandura had a term for this: self efficacy. Self efficacy is not the same as confidence. Confidence is thinking, I am great. Self efficacy is knowing, I can execute. People with high self efficacy don't see problems as threats, they see them as puzzles to solve. While someone else is typing, can you help me with this? Your brain has already started running the simulation. You're 3 steps into the solution before they've finished asking for backup. You're hyper independent because independence is faster. But there's something deeper going on. Your brain has a dangerously low tolerance for open loops. A broken appliance, an unfinished task, a problem without a solution. These create a psychological itch you can't ignore. Waiting means the loop stays open, and to your brain, an open loop is torture. You'd rather struggle with the furniture than sit with the discomfort of a pending problem. The physical effort? Manageable. The mental weight of something left undone? Not so much. You aren't stubborn, you just need closure immediately. Here's what the world won't tell you. We worship collaboration. We are told teamwork makes the dream work. But sometimes, many hands just make a mess. The world is drowning in Slack threads that go nowhere, email chains with 47 replies and 0 decisions, people talking about solving problems instead of solving them. The world needs more people who can see a problem and just fix it. So the next time someone asks why you're fixing the sink at midnight instead of calling a plumber, or why you didn't just ask for help, you can smile and say, because I trust myself. And honestly, that's the only reason you need. Thank you for watching. It would mean a lot if you could subscribe and support my small channel.